of Maze Nnamdi Kanu to National Hospital for proper medication, because we discovered that the medical personnel at the DSSS are incompetent and they are not giving him proper medication and attention. So we applied, and because his condition is getting worse. He's lacking potassium in his body and they don't have any solution to it. His leg is being swollen up, because I went to see him today.
Ishaya Kwashen Garuwa, who was declared wanted by the defense headquarters, was among the top bandits who reportedly accept a peace deal in Katsina State. If you want to know how crazy this news is, first of all, go and check the dictionary or use your phone to Google peace deal. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu have failed this country. That in your government, you are making peace with terrorists that goes into different villages, commit atrocities, buy people, carry women, do forceful entry on them, buy them, breed, they go to breed children, they get baby factory. All these women go born, they'll keep the children, use them as, they'll put them inside their terrorist army. This country is pretty much surrounded. And instead of you to catch one, use one to make example, to scare these people away, what are you doing? You give him a peace deal. What do you think will happen when you start giving them peace deal? Because this is not the first time. You give him peace deal tomorrow. Do you know what you're encouraging? You're going to encourage the next set of people to also go into terrorism, because they know, say, oh yes, this government is weak. Do you know what a peace deal means? It means, say, when I don't fight them, when I don't fear, when I don't chicken out. It means, say, when I don't chicken out, bro. We which day? Governor of Zamfara, which state? Come out. Talk, say, in nowhere all these bandits, all these terrorists, they. But federal government need to do something first. It was indirectly saying, I am lost. They are buying my people. I need help. Because these people have some form of people that is protecting them from the higher places. Bro, Nigeria is doomed. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't fail. It's like you have failed us when it comes to security. On all levels. What am I talking about security? Which one is security? They know the sugarcoat them. On all levels. On all levels. This is the height of it. I beg, when are people giving Nnamdi Kanu a peace deal? Because I mean, up till now, I don't even know what he did. But I just know, say, when I put him. No, I won't say I don't know what the problem is. You say, okay, treasonable offense. It was encouraging crime. It was encouraging terrorism and all. Place where they encourage, different from Wupai. This one where they give him peace deal. But the one where you claim, say, he do treasonable offense, you don't give him peace deal. So why is the man there? What's really going on in Nigeria, bro?
Analysts here, and we're asking the question very clearly. Why did Bola Ahmed Tinubu refuse to grant Mazi Nnamdi Kanu access to medical facility in Abuja, and we are seeing thousands of killers of bandits being impressed by the same government? What is Tinubu trying to achieve in the eastern part of the country now?
Thank you very much, my brother. You see, everything in Nigeria is politics, and that is the reason why we are where we are today. Nigerians politicize everything, and it's not good. Now, when it comes to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he was not actually arrested; he was kidnapped. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the world was kidnapped. He was rendited from another country to Nigeria forcefully against the constitution of Nigeria. But that aside, now, during the time of former President late Buhari, he was arrested in the sense that they were saying that he was speaking against the government, that he was saying a lot of things. But when you listen to what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said in his previous videos 3, 4, 5 years ago, you will discover that all what he has said has come to pass. He's a prophet, not in the church. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a well-known prophet. And that's all what he has said today, Nigerians have seen it come to pass. Now, the man who put him in prison, who kidnapped him and put him in prison, is no more. He has finished his tenure, he has died and buried. Now, Nnamdi Kanu is still in detention. Now, why is it? Tinubu has come to power. it is Tinubu's duty as a president to grant Mazim Nnamdi Kanu bail, because right now Mazim Nnamdi Kanu is the reason why the Southeast are having, security challenges. They say it's because of him now. It's because of him now. Since they hold him, what is crying is still crying in the Southeast. And what the most powerful part of it is that our Igbo politicians are the ones using their own brother to play politics. There are Igbo top politicians that doesn't want Mazim Nnamdi Kanu to be released. I can assure you one thing today, sir. If all the Igbo politicians can come out and say, no, enough is enough, our brother must be released, you will see that the federal government will sit up. But because there are betrayals, it is the rat that is inside the house. We go and tell the rat outside that there is fish in the house. So it is his own brothers, political brothers, are the one that is betraying him. But I can assure you one thing, that come rain, come sun, Mazim Nnamdi Kanu will be released. But now, this young man has been refused to access medical treatment. Somebody who is in detention for how many years? Allow him to go to hospital and then receive treatment while the case continues. Now, this young man has been acquitted before. The federal government still hold him captive. What is the offense of Mazim Nnamdi Kanu? What is the offense? They say he's an IPOB man, he's a terrorist, he's that and that. Is he the one terrorizing the Northerners? Is he the Alamadri? Is he the Boko Haram? Is it not the kind of Boko Haram? The people that are causing terrorism in Nigeria, they know where they are. They refuse to fight them. They are using an innocent person to play politics. So it's a very wrong thing. And if care is not taken, Nigeria might come to a conclusive end if they don't release that young man called Mazim Nnamdi Kanu, because that man, not only is he a dual citizen, he's a well-known personality in the world. Are you getting it? And they have checked him on his record. It has never been found anywhere, even recently, that he has been carrying any armor or ammunition.
Till tomorrow,
or sponsored anything at all. But yet, they are still using it to play politics. But all I can say is, before 2027, by the grace of God, Nnamdi Kanu will come out from detention.
Yes, in adventure, we are seeing a Southerner. We're seeing what the role he played in silencing the resistant voices from the East. We are still insisting the same thing, even though they are pretending Nigeria can never be won, and that is the truth. Why are they forcing? Is there anything Nigeria can offer the Yorubas or the Hausas or the Igbos that they cannot offer themselves?
My brother, the truth of the matter is this. You see, until an Igbo man becomes the president of Nigeria, Nigeria will not be better. I repeat, until an Igbo man becomes the president of this country, Nigeria will never be better. I will tell you my reasons. In Nigeria, an Igbo man, the Igbo tribe, the Igbo nation is the reason why Nigeria is surviving today. I give you an example. In Lagos as a whole, if you look at those doing business, importing, paying big taxes are the Igbos. Are you getting me? Paying taxes, they are what? The Igbos. The Igbos are the one everywhere, all over the world. The Igbos is the only nation that can go to the north, build house and live there, train the children, establish business there. Tell me one Yoruba man that have come to Igbo land to go and buy land and build house. Tell me one Hausa man that have come to an Igbo man to buy land and build house. But Igbo man is everywhere. Anywhere Igbo goes is their hope. In Lagos here, Igbos dominate everywhere. Sorry, they build their houses, they live there, they take the place as their hope. Are you getting me? So if we say we are one Nigeria, how come the Hausas cannot go to the Igbo land to buy land and build house? How come the Yoruba man cannot go there? They are afraid. But Igbo people are blessed by God right from the old. Anywhere you put an Igbo, carry Igbo people and put in deserts. Put them in desert, they will turn desert to a paradise. Carry Igbo, put in desert for 1 year, they will turn desert to paradise. Now, that's a gift from Igbo.
But yes, you are saying this now, and people are looking at Nnamdi Kanu as a symbol, of resistance, so to say. Why is it that the Southwest Yorubas and the Northerners are bent on destroying the Igbo nation to stop any form of resistance while they are still oppressing the Igbos? Can't you see that Mazim Nnamdi Kanu, if he dies in that place, detention, that how would an Igbo man look at a Yoruba man? It's a very clear thing. How would you react to that?
Right from the inception, there is this thing that is already enshrined somewhere in the document. And what it says is that never allow an Igbo man to become a president of Nigeria. It has been there. Go and find out. Go and make research. It's an agreement between the Northerners and the Southerners, especially the Southwest, that no Igbo man should be allowed to enter power. That was before, during, and after the colonization. The British were the one who colonized Nigeria, and that's what, when they hand over power to the North, they told the North categorically clear, don't give these people power. You know why? They say Igbo people are intelligent, they are powerful, they are resourceful, and they are fearless. Igbo man is the only man that cannot be bent. Igbo man is the only one that, let me tell you, if Peter Obi become president of Nigeria, in less than 1 year, some people will run out of this country. Many people will run away. Everything will be cut down. You will see it under 1 year, you will see the example. Are you getting it? But they know that such things will happen. That is why they don't want to allow any Igbo man to become the president of Nigeria. But let me tell you this. Come rain, come sun. The Hausa's eyes have opened.
Yes.
Their eyes have opened. Are you getting it? And now they are looking for a way to amend the mistake they have made in the past.
They are seeing that the Igbos are not really the problem.
They are saying that Igbos are not the problem. We are not the problem. We are free people. We go anywhere, we mingle anywhere, we associate anywhere, we build up. The Igbo man will go to the north, he mingle with the north, he became a northerner. He buy lands there, build his house here, raise his family there. He comes to Yoruba land, the same thing. He goes outside the country, the same thing.
Why is it that Tinubu does not want to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Is it a kind of, does it have any form of collaboration with the jihadist tendencies? Because some people are saying that the Arab world with the Northerners, and of course some Arab Yorubas who are Muslims, are the ones holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Yes, of a truth. You see, like I said, an issue. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case is not a natural case. It's an abnormal case. Why do I say it's not natural, it's not abnormal? When you look at the cases surrounding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, there is nothing to hold it. There's nothing to keep it. Are you getting it? There's a reason why they know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a figure, and they know that the Southeast people, especially the Biafrans, those called the Biafrans, the Igbos, millions of them are solidly behind it. And anything he says will be followed. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu tell the Igbos now, the Southeast people, vote for so person, I am telling you, even the oldest woman in the village will take and vote for, because it's a voice that people listen to. It's a voice that people follow. He's a man of the people. And that's why they thought that keeping him in detention, we make the Igbo people to be afraid. But I don't know that. Why they are keeping Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? There are more than millions of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu outside.
Yes, Donald Trump and the U.S. Congress has reacted to, congressmen of the U.S. government has reacted to the refusal of the federal government to allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu access to medical facility. Of course, they called it judicial tyranny. At what point do you think that Biafra or Nnamdi Kanu has gained Western attention, especially coming from Benjamin Netanyahu's cabinet members, adding their voice, watching the development happening between Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, DSS, and of course, Nigerian government?
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a world figure. He's a dual citizen. Nnamdi Kanu is not an ordinary person. Nnamdi Kanu is even more popular than your president. Nnamdi Kanu is more popular than most of the politicians in Nigeria. I don't understand me. Nnamdi Kanu is a man that even the world respects. So that is why you see that his matter. The reason why you see the government of Nigeria, if it's an ordinary person, they will have long gone put him in prison. They will have long gone put hang something on his neck and throw him, or even kill him. If it's an ordinary person, why they kidnap him from Kenya? When they kidnapped him from there, they would have killed him on the road and throw his body away. But they know the implication that this man, all his movement is being monitored, all his movement is being censored. That is why even when they kidnapped him and brought him back to Nigeria, they were not able to kill him. They couldn't do it because they know that killing him will result to something that Nigeria might not cope with. Are you getting it? So for Donald Trump to intervene in the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that will tell you that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a figure.